Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 8 count.
Down.
Right. We did,
Swing out from.
well,
Oh,
actually,
you're right.
we talked about Frankie.
Yeah, we
you
did.
should look him up, Frankie Manning, read his book. And we talked to you how he did pecs when he did promenades.
Boom. Peck, peck, hey. Or you can do the reverse. Hey, hey,
So we practiced that a bunch and everybody got very giggly, which
Yes.
is kind of the point.
That was a big piece of advice. Go back before you go forward.
Yeah, and just like get into your partner's face. You can't really be shy about it because it's weirder.
Yeah.
Then we swung out.
It looks like this. Hey.
Doobie-doo.
Hey.
5, 6, 7, 8.
We did a circle from open. Hey. Boom. We did 2 circles from closed. Hey. Get ready and boom. Hey. We talked about that get ready feeling being the same here. Hey. And that's what we did. Whee!